What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video from myself, Ehsan Khan. I'm just chilling here in my garden today. I'm actually just taking a bit of a rest. Just wanted to work a couple of hours today, push a few interviews in, but actually it's a holy festival for me. It's Eid, and just celebrating it with taking a bit of a break and just enjoying this beautiful weather. And I got to thinking that actually this is a really good example of something that people can do and should do as a recruiter, and in sales in general, and business development in general, and relationship building in general, which is, are you understanding what is important for the clients and candidates that you're working with? Now, obviously, we all know about Christmas, right? And on Christmas, everybody will send a message saying Merry Christmas, hope you have a good New Year, look forward to speaking with you in the New Year. But really and truly, everybody, like I said, everybody knows about Christmas, everybody celebrates Christmas, and everybody has time off over Christmas, so they all enjoy Christmas. So it's nothing special when you get a Merry Christmas message from a consultant, from the recruiter, from the salesperson to the clients and candidates. It's not special for them. But what would be special is if you start asking people questions to gain information, and you use that information to then just build rapport. So I'll give you 3 examples here. So you can ask them a question when you're on the call, take the call away from the work, the business side of things, the money, the financial side of things. Just ask them, oh, you know, what did you get up to over the weekend? And that is going to give you so much information, because they're going to say stuff to you like, oh, I went canoeing, or I went fishing, or it was my son's birthday, or I was just watching the match. And then what you can do is just dig a little bit deeper, find out, you know, how old is your son? Oh, that's really cool, congratulations. You can make a note of it that his son is 11. You can start asking questions. What do you want? You can start asking questions about his son or her daughter or his daughter, and start asking questions about that to really gain an understanding as to who they are. And more than likely, what they do on the weekends and the things that they celebrate are probably things that motivate them a lot, because what we do on our weekends, we only have a finite time on our weekends. So yeah, when you find out what people are doing and getting up to over the weekends, you'll find out what they're interested in. Some people just want to chill, and therefore they might like a role where it's a lot more relaxed, rather than, you know, something where in a startup where you're wearing a lot of hats. So anyway, so that's one question. You can ask them, what did you get up to on the weekend? Another question you can ask them to build rapport is, again, very simple things. You can just ask them directly, like, you know, hey, are you into any sports? Or if they are from an ethnic minority, an ethnic background, you can quite easily tell if someone is of a certain culture or religion. So if somebody is a Sikh or a Hindu or a Muslim or a Jew or a Christian, then you can start using these dates as points where you can start asking them, or sorry, you can start giving them like a congratulations message for, you know, well done, happy Eid, happy Diwali, happy Navratri, or whatever it might be. You can just mention these things, and you can note down beforehand when these things are. So if you've got like a really good candidate, and let's say, for example, he's Hindu, a lot of IT developers that come over from India are from a Hindu background, and that's why you can very easily tell from their name, okay, this person is possibly a Hindu. You can ask them about that, and then you can find out when their celebrations are, and just leave a note in your diary to send them a message to say Happy Diwali. This is so powerful. When I get a message from someone saying Happy Eid, and this person is not a Muslim, and there's somebody that I'm working with, like an accountant, or, you know, one of my suppliers or one of my partners, they send me a message saying Happy Eid, it's so much more powerful than a random person calling me the day of Eid or the day after Eid or whatever it might be, and saying, hey, I've got something to sell you. So it's much more powerful in this way, when you can know a bit more about a person's religious interests and backgrounds. And you can also ask, when you're speaking to candidates or when you're speaking to clients, you can ask them about their family, you know, and there's ways to go about this. So You can ask, for example, questions about what have you got planned this week. You know, what are you getting up to? If they sound like they're a bit busy over the phone, you can ask them just subtle questions which will lead you to the answer that you want. So if they say to you that, you know, I'm going to be working late tonight, just drop something in and just say to them something like, oh, I bet the kids all want you home early every day. Just say something like that, and then they'll say to you, oh no, I don't have any kids. And or they might say, well, no kids, but the missus will. And then you know, okay, he's married, and you can start talking to him on that perspective. You can start giving your own experiences, start saying, yeah, you know, I'm married, and you know, also my wife or my husband or my partner or wherever it might be, you know, they hate it when I come back late as well. That's why it's so important to get the right people in your team, to make sure that you're not working till late hours in the evening. So anything that a person tells you about their life, anything that a person tells you about, you know, themselves and who they are, rather than the business side of things, rather than the skills and the talent and the qualifications, those are the things that are going to make all the difference. Because when you have an offer to give, you understand sorry, just cut off there. But when you have an offer for a candidate, you understand this person, and you have been demonstrating to them the whole way that you understand them. So when you've got someone speaking to you, and they know when your religious festivals are, they know how many people are in your family, they know what your situation is, that's probably something that is going to be much more powerful when they're choosing which job to choose from. If they've got two offers, one consultant knows everything about them and has been selling into that personality, into those, I suppose, that person's lifestyle, that's much more powerful than just saying, hey, here's like 45 grand. You know, if the two offers are the same, at least with this one you can show them and demonstrate to them from their own experience and from the own values that they have why your role is going to be much more powerful for them. And the same goes for clients. If you're working with clients and you understand who they are, what their background is, what their interests are, these are things that are going to separate you from the rest. And if you're sending, for example, like a nice message on someone's birthday, if you know that this person's birthday is on, I don't know, the 2nd of August, then at least you know that I can send this person, or leave a note in your diary to send this person a happy birthday message on the 2nd of August. And then you can just leave it there, and at the bottom just write, hey, look, you know, as you know, I'm a specialist in this field, and if you need anything, please give me a shout. And you can make it a bit funny at the end, bit banter at the end, and just say stuff like, I don't know, we'll send you candidates and a cake. You know, just something to separate you from other people, and just show that you're not the same. You're not just sending LinkedIn emails and LinkedIn messages and emails, and it's all automated. Everybody knows this game, by the way. Everybody knows that the LinkedIn messages that they receive are automated. The emails that they receive are automated. People aren't stupid. Recruitment has been around for a long time. Email automation, LinkedIn automation has been around for a while. People know these things. So this is how you separate yourself from the rest of the pack, from the rest of the millions of other recruiters out there that aren't building rapport with their clients and their customers. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video just to celebrate the day, and I just wanted to let you all know that rapport is very important, and there's 3 tips for you guys to actually build rapport successfully with your clients and candidates and gain that commitment and that trust from them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, because I try to upload every single day. Actually, cut that, I don't upload every single day. I try to upload 3 times a week. So if you guys are interested in receiving, if you guys are interested in seeing my videos as soon as they come out, then make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification, and leave a comment below just letting me know a funny story of when you built rapport, or if you've never even thought about building rapport, then leave a comment below. And also leave a comment if there's anything that you want any help with. Which areas of your business are you struggling with most? Most people struggle with getting clients, so this is definitely one way to separate yourself from the rest and really build that rapport with people who will then become your clients. So yeah, that's it, guys. Peace, and enjoy your day today.